welcome to Arya's Kitchen. I'm very happy to see that you are all supporting me and giving your likes and comments. I'm very happy. So I have come with another special recipe for you today. You know, 2 days before I have shown you how to make the chatpata aloo papdi. So with some were left over with me. So I thought something special I will make for the kids. Again, an evening snack. So today I am going to prepare something for you. You know what is that? That is what? Can you guess that? That is papdi chaat. So let us start making. Okay, come on, let us start. So I have kept a plate over here. Here I am arranging the papdis which I prepared that day in around 4-5 papdis I am keeping here. It's very beautifully you have to decorate it. See. Now I have arranged all the papdis. Okay. On this we are going to put various vegetables which were cut into very small pieces. This is also another healthy food for the children. So let us start layer by layer how to prepare the papdi chaat. So here first of all I have a small amount of boiled potato cut into very small pieces. So this the first layer I am putting on the papdis. So why we are putting the potatoes? In order to get a strength on the bottom level. That is why we are putting this boiled potatoes. I am putting all the potatoes, small potatoes cut into small pieces. You can use as much potatoes you want. That is all the taste of the people who are making that. Now all the potatoes which I have cut into pieces are arranged here. Now I am going to put some tomatoes. Tomatoes also I have cut into small pieces. See, all these are the healthy food. The children can take often these things. It's a combined vegetables and everything. I have put all the tomato here. Now I will apply little bit. You see, this is curd. I am putting some curd. Little bit salt is put in this. That I am applying. Those who do not like curd, you can avoid also, no problem. Some people might not like it, so I am putting this here. Just all their taste. Now I am putting some masala here. This is a masala made of cumin powder and chaat masala and chili powder. I am applying here little bit. See. Now I am putting some onions on this. Small pieces onions. On this I am putting some green chutney. This green chutney I will tell you later how to make the green chutney. Green chutney and red chutney I will show you another day, the demo, how to make this. This is green chutney. Now on this I am putting some imli chutney, imli tamarind chutney. All this I will show you another day. On this I am putting some coriander leaves. On this I am putting some save. I put some save. Now I am putting some lemon juice. Again I am putting some masala. You can put salt also, because I have applied salt in all vegetables. That is why I am not putting salt again. Again I am putting some more onions. See how beautifully it is coming up. So nicely it is decorated. We are getting water in the mouth. Now, if you want, you can also add more chutneys. It's all up to you. Now finally, I am going to put some decorating. What do you know this is? Small coconut pieces. I am putting on this. Those who do not like coconut, they can avoid this. All according to your taste. Now you can again decorate with the coriander leaves. The decoration on that, you see, your papdi chaat is ready. When you have papdi at home and these vegetables are there, you can easily prepare it. And about the chutney, I will tell you later how to make the chutneys. Both the chutneys, you see, this is the tamarind chutney and this is the green chutney. This both I will show you how to prepare it. So I hope everybody will like this recipe today. Please try to make it at home. Make the children happy by giving all these kinds of recipes. Because now we are not going out because on Sundays and all we go out, so we can have different types of this fast food and everything, puchka, all these puchka also I will show you one day, puchka, papdis and all that. We are not getting enough time to get all these things because of the quarantine days. So I hope everybody will like it. Please watch it, like it, share it. And again I am repeatedly telling you to subscribe my channel for the growth. And all means I am very much happy that you are all supporting me throughout these days. You are giving me a lot of support. So many comments are coming, so many good comments are coming. Suggestions are always welcome. I am very happy to improve. All the suggestions are welcome. I am very happy. Please support me. This is a new venture I have started. Please support me and I am very happy. Thank you for the support. All the best.